Lifting and pulling and flying so high, building up to the sky. You can watch them all.
Friggin'.
Maybe even a play for it.
Happy.
Bye for now. Thanks for visiting.
Mighty machines, big and mighty machines, working for you, doing mighty things. They're mighty machines, lifting and pulling and flying so high, building up to the sky. You can watch them all day and never know why. They're mighty machines. Hear them roar, watch them soar, sit right down and see. There are stories to enjoy for every girl and boy. Mighty machines, big and mighty machines, working for you, doing mighty things. Working for you, doing mighty things. They're mighty machines.
Imagine your favorite toy was real.
I bet a truck like that can carry 1,000 people.
Imagine you could build a giant castle.
This castle is fabulous.
Imagine you could ride in a fire truck.
Just imagine.
Imagine you could be anything you wanted.
Just imagine. Just imagine.
Imagine you could do anything you wanted. Imagine you had a very special friend. Let your child's imagination soar with Barney's new video, Just Imagine, now on VHS and DVD from Hit Entertainment.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
Look who's singing and dancing and wiggling. Live from Australia. It's Murray and Greg and Anthony and Jeff. See the Wiggles live. Hot potatoes. Now available from Hit Entertainment. Kipper is on the march toward adventure in his new video, Puppy Love. It's magical.
Bum, bum, ba, bum.
Musical.
Boom, body, boom.
Mischievous.
Now stop it.
Mysterious.
What is it? What is it?
And always merry.
If I blow up lots of balloons, it makes me go all giggly.
Look for Kipper and Company in Puppy Love. Now available from Hit Entertainment.
I absolutely love to dance. There's something magical about getting ready for a big performance. The stage is set for dancing and excitement in the Magic of Dance video. You won't believe what happens when Miss Lily comes to dinner. And it's even more fun when William practices his new magic trick on me.
Tails and whiskers.
Gosh, she's really disappeared.
The silver
And
locket.
the time I borrowed my mother's necklace and lost it. Angelina, your mom did say you could borrow her locket, didn't she? Well, not exactly. Be sure to watch the silver locket video to find out what happened.
And the big
In the big
performance.
performance video, you won't believe who I danced for. Queen Seraphina of Mouseland.
Angelina is a real star.
So don't miss my big performances on video. And remember, if you follow your dreams, you could be a star too.
Only from Hit Entertainment.
Don't move, JJ. Don't move. I'll be right over.
What's the matter, Bob?
JJ needs help.
And so does Mr. Bentley.
Come on, team.
Can we fix it?
Yes, we can.
And sometimes Bob and Spud need help.
Well, what's happening?
me down! But everyone knows the fun is in getting it done. Help is on the way with Bob the Builder. Now available on DVD and VHS from Hit Entertainment.
The mighty shark wants to start his own movie. Arr, arr, arr.
The mighty movie star,
That's me.
the hero of the movie,
That's me.
goes flying through the air to rescue Miss Winona like this.
That's me.
Don't miss the Rubba-Dubbers.
Uh-oh.
In Finbar, the mighty movie star. Plus, 4 more fantastic stories. Now available from Hit Entertainment. Thomas is moving full steam ahead for the big celebration.
I can't wait for the grand opening. There's going to be flags and a big band.
But is there trouble around the bend?
Cinders and ashes, cried Thomas. The troublesome trucks are heading for the new station, and they're going too fast. I must warn the station master.
Will Thomas make it in time to save the new station and the celebration? Hop on board with Thomas as he makes tracks to great destinations in Thomas Sodor Celebration. Now available from Hit Entertainment. Things not going so well? Do you sometimes feel as if you're all tied up with nowhere to go? Then do what the Fraggles do. Play all day long. With the newest Fraggle Rock DVD, Dance Your Cares Away. Dance Your Cares Away. On DVD Spring 2005 from Hit Entertainment.
Down at Fraggle Rock.
Silly has a brand new address. And it's Todd World.
Hi, I'm Todd, and this is my world. Have you ever eaten macaroni and cheese in the bathtub? Or taken an amusement park ride on a giant milkshake?
Cannonball!
Neato Mosquito, these are my friends. This is Pickle.
Back up. Can't forget the wormies.
He takes his pet worms with him everywhere. This is Stella.
I will be the star of the show. The queen of diamonds.
She likes being the center of attention.
We begin.
This is Sophie. When her pigtails move up and down real fast, she can fly. And this is my dog Benny.
Check it out.
He plays a pretty mean pair of sticks.
And Silly's just the half of it, because in Todd World, you'll also learn lots of smart stuff, like foot tracing, how to build a squirrel house with monkey underpants,
Monkey underpants?
and that it's okay to be short
Winner for smallest elephant.
or tall.
Winner for biggest mouse.
Todd and his friends are now on DVD and VHS from Hit Entertainment. You'll also find them soon in lots of fun books from Little Brown and Company. Make Todd World your newest fun place. Todd World. Very silly, very smart.
Only from entertainment.
See you next time. Love, Todd.
Hit Entertainment.